Why was it so important to have a chief manufacturing officer, and how do you see us leveraging that into the future?
Well, play to your strengths. I think that's something we probably both learned in business a little bit. And, if I was in Texas, maybe a little more oil and gas, I'd be over there. Or if I was in California, I'd play with Silicon. But we're the Silicon Valley of manufacturing. That's something that Connecticut is historically the best at. It starts because we have the best trained, most productive, most innovative workforce. I got to work every day to make sure we're ahead of the competition. We make the most sophisticated and complicated machines in the world, starting with submarines and choppers and jet engines, and then across the board. And when I took over, I just looked at the numbers. It was just extraordinary to me. There was a very low unemployment rate. This is back 3 years ago. But we had tons of jobs. I mean, thousands of jobs in advanced manufacturing that we couldn't fill. And I said, well, that's the job of government. I'm not here to hand out tons of incentives, but I am here to make sure that you have the talent you need. So that was focus number one. Colin Cooper, look, he comes out of manufacturing. He understands the language. He knew some of the smaller manufacturing, the needs they had in terms of people, the needs they had in terms of equipment, ways that he could talk that language as we go around to make sure they continue to grow and expand here. And don't forget Kelli Vallieres. I mean, she's a workforce. She comes out of manufacturing, still chairman of a manufacturing company, and she knows better than anybody the skill sets she and Colin have determined our manufacturers need so that they can keep growing.